All right, guys, back to the Misfits again. We're here in the IS 300, sitting out in front of one of our favorite eateries, Sandra D's. We're gonna have some lunch and maybe walk you guys around a little bit and do a little review of the delicious food they have here. I also wanted to show you what I was talking about being fat and old and how hard it was to get in and out of this car. Look at this. Oh, good thing I had that extra boost. Let's get in here and get us something to eat. Today they're having some tacos. We like tacos, and this is one of our favorite locations. Right here on, I guess this is Kingston Hwy?
Yep.
I don't know the exact street number.
It'll be in the description down below.
It'll be in the description down below. They do all kinds of good stuff, though. You don't have to come in and just have a daily special. They've got great burgers. Their chili dogs are fire. I love their hot, fresh okra. I mean, there's so many things on the menu. We'll show you a few here in a minute. We'll get inside. We'll show you around the restaurant. One thing we always check for is cleanliness in the restaurant, the speed of service, how the service is, and how the food is. So those will be the things that we judge it on when we get in here. So we're here, and we're about to walk in. Right now, we'll show you around this nice little place. The decor is awesome. This is Dusty, and this is the Sandra D.
Hey guys, how are you?
She's going to show us here in a second how to make an Italian hoagie, which I'm excited about because I like Italian hoagies. The decor here is beautiful. It's just your old factory style, or your old restaurant style. They're into cars. They're into Christmas. There's only one reason for the season, but she's welcomed us back into her kitchen, so I'm going to let her take over. The Miss Sandra D.
This is one of my best sellers, is the Italian hoagies. We do a lot of burgers also, and I don't know if you're familiar with Bimbos at the time or whatever.
Sure.
But this is derived from them. Now, Millie that used to do these years ago, and she retired, and then we decided to give her a hand try.
So this is Millie's sandwich, pretty much. This is the way that Millie made it.
Millie's.
So we're putting what all on it here?
Okay, it's got ham, salami, pepperoni, and provolone for right now.
Okay.
Hey there, welcome to Sandra D's.
And then this thing's going to go in the steamer.
Mm-hmm.
This is the key ingredient to making a hoagie, I think, in my mind.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
And they cook everything fresh to order. There's no burger sitting there waiting on you when you know.
No, everything's homemade here.
If you order a hamburger steak, they're cooking that hamburger steak at the moment you order it.
We make pinto beans, mashed potatoes, everything daily. I mean, it's all homemade.
That's the best way, you know, and it's quality and it's love in every order.
Yes, it does have love in it.
That's the most important thing. And we came and brought business with us. We thought we'd have a 30-minute lull.
Oh, that's okay. It's all right.
Look at that coming out of there. How pretty. The melty cheese, the
Yes.
steamed bun.
It's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Very hot.
And we're going to put some...
Now I put lettuce on this.
Oh, yeah.
We load it up with lettuce. Of course. They say the onions is the main ingredient, but I don't know. I think the love is myself.
I think the love is too, but the onions help.
The onions does help. And then you've got your oil and vinegar, and we make this ourselves. So we put that together. We do that ourselves. This is my number one seller, is the Italian hoagie. And then we've got oregano that goes on top of this.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Ain't that pretty?
It's beautiful.
And then what I do is I flip it up like so. Now, when I first started doing this, I used to have fingerprints in the middle, but I've learned to cut it in the middle.
Oh, that helps.
More
okay.
professional.
It's beautiful. That is.
You learn as you go.
Look at this sandwich. And how much does this cost on your menu?
This is $8.75 on the menu.
You won't find that sandwich that big anywhere else for that price. Jimmy John's charge you $15 for that sandwich right there. And I guarantee you this is way better.
Oh, it's delicious, I promise you.
So we think...
I had no complaints.
And then you get a pickle slice on the side.
And
a pepperoncini pepper.
Yeah, one of these little fellers. And there you go.
And there you have it. The next time you'll see that sandwich, I'll have teeth marks put in it. Next, we'll probably make a cheeseburger for Tom. We'll see how that goes. We'll figure out what he's got, and she's going to show us the burger grilling. So thank you guys. We'll be right back. We're at Sandra D's, and we're going to have to show you. You order a cheeseburger, you come in here, and this is what you're getting. You're getting a fresh, patted hamburger patty every time, all the time. And these things are quarter pound, half pound?
4 ounces.
So a quarter of a pound patty. And look at that. I mean, that's just beautiful. And it's straight off of the factory roll. You can't get them hardly any fresher unless you ground it yourself. And then as you come through here, this place is immaculately clean. You know, a lot of restaurants you come into, there's stuff strung out everywhere. There's people in a hurry busting, just throwing stuff everywhere. But you walk back in this restaurant, everything's nice and clean. This is what I like to see. Now, I'm not going to show any factory secrets, lift up any lids or anything like that. But, I mean, they've got homemade desserts. Look, they cut their own cheeses. They do it all here. And I was saying a minute ago about homemade desserts. These are homemade cow patties. And she'll explain to you guys what's in those. I know they're delicious. And she's got a little busy, so she's going to look at this beautiful burger grilling on this grill. Isn't that something? You can't just get that anywhere. Sure, you can get it everywhere, but you can't get that anywhere.
My burgers is almost a half a pound. They're 6 ounces.
Okay, so what he was doing over there a minute ago was the hamburger steak.
Hamburger steak.
Okay, so I was wrong about that.
Yeah, but that's okay. I mean, we still do it both daily, or if we run out, we gotta do it right quick.
You got to do it. That's the way it is in a restaurant.
But it's fun.
Well, the next time we see that burger, it'll be out here on a plate, getting ready to be ate. And we appreciate Miss Sandra for letting us come back and look at. You can't get a sear like that at home. You just can't. And let me know what was in those cow pies.
Oh, the cow patties?
Yeah, the cow patties.
Cocoa, oatmeal, peanut butter, milk, sugar, vanilla, butter,
and that's what we like. The love is the best part.
Yeah.
That's why we love to come here, because we know what we're getting. We know that it's worth our money. It's going to fill us up. You just can't.
Everything I do put the love to it. And if it don't look good to me, it's not going out there to you.
And that's what we like.
Mm-hmm.
We like the quality.
I'm picky with my food.
And we are too. And hopefully everybody out there is. You want to know that you're getting a quality product every time you order. That's why I hate going to the fast food chains to eat. I would rather come to a sit-down place on the side of the road, just like this, and enjoy a beautiful meal. Look at this. Just smelling this sandwich here. It's got my mouth watering. I just can't wait. Just cannot. I'm dripping. I'm drooling. Hungry. I'm on food. I'm trying to get you guys to understand that this is one of the best places in Roane County to come and get a sandwich or a burger, or if you want a meat and 2 sides, they'll do that. It's just one of my favorite places to be. Look at the center cut. That's a pretty good size sandwich. And like I said, $8.75 for this. I guess the only thing to do is to take a bite. I know you want me to. Man. That's good. I'm gonna try it with a little pickle. Even better. Perfect. Perfect. Next time we see you, he'll be taking a bite of his burger.
All right, so Dusty, the waiter, just brought me my burger. I'm the kind of guy where if I go to a restaurant, I can judge a restaurant by the burger. If I don't know what all they have on the menu or whatever, and it's the first time eating somewhere, I usually just get a burger. And coming here, it's become where I buy the burger every time because it's so good. They got a full menu, homemade stuff. I do eat some of the stuff from time to time. What are you bringing us?
Oh, one of the
specialty.
She brought us
They're
some dessert
chocolate
too.
oatmeal cookies. Some people call them cow patties.
Cow patties, that's what I've always
Those
heard
are
them
very
called.
fresh.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you.
All right, show us the burger.
All right, so I'm a burger guy. Love a burger, and I always get it the same way: tomato, pickles, mayonnaise. We're missing tomato.
No, you're not.
There it is. Made right. All right. So, what are these? Half pounds? She said.
Half pound.
Half pound burgers, and it's fresh meat. It's not frozen.
It's kind of awkward when you get your mouth full wanting to speak to the camera, isn't it?
I love a good burger though.
Oh, I do too. And that is a good one. Show us the bite. I want to see the center of the burger
It's
there.
still hot.
It's good and fresh. Look at that thing. It's just,
And they got a seasoned fries too.
oh yeah, look at the fries.
Yeah.
The fries are good. They're delicious.
But
They crunch when you bite into them, and they're nice and soft.
just enough grease on the burger to tell you're eating a burger. It's not dripping, running out. It's juicy, delicious, perfect burger.
And we're going to eat our lunch, and when we get done, we'll give you a review of these beautiful
Cow patties.
that she makes for us. And as I said before, we're going to try the cookie. They look delicious.
Where'd your sandwich go?
He's in there.
He done ate his sandwich. He gone.
He gone. And you about to be there with him, little chocolate cookie, cow patty, poop milk cream pie. Just reminds me of my childhood. It's everything that when you was a kid, you get them in the cafeteria at school. The peanut butter with the chocolate and the oatmeal, sugar. It's like Christmas met Thanksgiving and had a baby and called it a cow patty. Cow pie. I think I'll just call it a chocolate oatmeal cookie.
Yeah, I think so. Alright. So I ate my burger, I'm good.
Where'd your burger go?
Good stuff, dude. That's all I could eat of it. See, Dusty's right on cue. Look at him. See, check
Yep,
Dusty.
he's coming to get everything.
You come here, Dusty will take care of you.
Clean it up for you guys.
That's right. He's fast on the drinks. He won't let you do without while you're here. They're very good, very good.
Alright, so we're gonna try this cow pie here. I've not had one of these in, I'd say 15 years I've not had one of these. My mom used to make these.
R.I.P. Aunt Janice.
Yeah, my mom passed away. Oh my God, these are good. Absolutely as good as I remember.
Oh yeah.
Homemade too.
You saw them on the sheet in there just a minute ago, guys. They'd just come out when she had just finished them. That's how fresh these things are. That's how fresh everything here is.
Yeah, that's good.
Minutes. You get it minutes after it's done.
I think Stubby's wanting to try a banana split. I don't know if I got room.
I don't know if I do either. We can't take it with us unless we eat it. It'll melt. So
That's true.
maybe the next time we stop in, we'll film a banana split video.
There you go.
Okay, so we're getting ready to go. Miss Sandra, we want to thank you for your hospitality.
Well, thank you for stopping in. I do want to say that everyone is welcome. We are open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday. We do breakfast every day except on Tuesday through Friday. I do not do biscuit and gravy or fried taters. But you can come in and you can get pancakes, French toast, anything you want, anytime during the day. We are located at 4527 Kingston Hwy. This is a Lenoir City address, 37771. Like I said, everyone is welcome. When you come in, make yourself at home.
Now, do you have any social media or anything like that?
And yes, I am on Facebook.
And it's just under Sandra D's?
Under Sandra D's and YouTube, and actually I think I might be on Instagram. I don't know for sure. But anyway, come and check us out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you, Miss Sandra.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
We're getting ready to leave Sandra D's. I just wanted to make sure you saw the sign out front. The hours of operation are there for you. And it is only cash or check. She doesn't take cards. It's a lot easier at the end of the day to divvy out tips with cash to help her people. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Miss Sandra?
We are in the process of getting an ATM machine.
So that way, if you don't have cash, you can.
But I don't know when that'll be. Sometime next year. Early.
We're almost there. And he said a minute ago about your 4th anniversary coming up.
We will be open, January the 11th will be our 3rd year anniversary.
Are you going to run any kind of special or do anything?
I'm sure we will.
Well, good. So, folks, that'll give you a reason to follow her on Facebook or on YouTube or maybe Instagram if she's got one. And you can keep in touch with her. You can call in orders. You can come and pick them up and take them to go.
And we do have daily specials, and one of my favorites, and everybody else's, is on Friday. Is catfish dinner and meatloaf.
Sounds good to me.
And chicken and dumplings on Thursday too.
And the last time I came here, you had white beans that were absolutely delicious. And he said that you just don't sell enough of them to keep them.
We don't sell enough of them to keep them, but we do put them in there sometimes.
So you catch those if you like the Great Northern white beans and a big old chunk of cornbread. I saw a pot of greens in there that looked absolutely delicious.
Now,
and the okra.
We will be doing black-eyed peas and hog's jaw for New Year's Day. We will be open.
So come by and see them on New Year's Day if you're hungover or if you're not.
Yeah, come
If you need a Bloody Mary, I don't know if they can help you with that, but they do serve alcohol. Do you have mixed drinks or just beer?
Just beer.
So they do have beer, and then they got the dumpster kitty.
That's ham bone.
Ham bone. Have you heard? Papa got hit by a flying.
RoCo Misfits drifting on ice. RoCo Misfits rocking all night. RoCo Misfits doing it right. RoCo Misfits under Christmas. RoCo Misfits racing all night. RoCo Misfits drinking on ice. RoCo Misfits roaring like a lion. RoCo Misfits, 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 RoCo Misfits. We got Santa on the dash, candy cane exhaust, hustling in the night with the Rudolph nose, flying through the lights, back wheels on fire. Ho, 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 it's a Christmas riot. RoCo Misfits popping on sight. RoCo Misfits lights are so bright. RoCo Misfits screaming so loud. RoCo Misfits running with the crowd. RoCo Misfits be the bad guys. RoCo Misfits we got 9 lives. RoCo Misfits chaos every night. RoCo Misfits, 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 RoCo Misfits. We got Santa on the dash, candy cane exhaust, hustling in the night with the Rudolph nose, flying through the lights, back wheels on fire. Ho, 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 it's a Christmas riot.